You guys, content creation is about to get a whole lot easier and a whole lot more profitable. AI tools are changing the game, my friends. They're like having a team of wizards working for you 24/7. Imagine this. You could be sipping margaritas on a beach while your content practically creates itself. Sounds good, right? Forget spending hours editing videos. Say goodbye to writer's block. AI is here to break down those barriers and unleash your full creative potential. We're talking next-level content, mind-blowing efficiency, and yes, even passive income streams you never thought possible. It's time to crush it in the digital world. This isn't some far-off future, it's happening right now. Are you ready to ride this wave? Let's dive in. We get it. The world of online content can feel like a jungle out there. It's tough to stand out, to build a loyal audience, to actually make money doing what you love. That's where Creator Hub at MAP comes in. We're your secret weapon, your unfair advantage in the digital arena. Our mission, to empower creators like you, to give you the tools, resources, and support you need to thrive. We're talking cutting-edge AI technology, expert advice, and a vibrant community of like-minded hustlers. At Creator Hub at MRAP, we believe in the power of community. We're all in this together. We're here to celebrate your wins, offer guidance when you stumble, and push you to reach heights you never thought possible. So what are you waiting for? Join the movement. Let's crush it together. Okay, let's break it down. Video AI might sound intimidating, but it's actually incredibly simple to use. We're talking about tools that take your ideas and turn them into polished, engaging videos, all with just a few clicks. First things first, the idea. What do you want to share with the world? What's your passion? Once you've got that spark, video AI can help you fan the flames. Input your vision, whether it's a script, blog post, or even just a few keywords. The AI engine gets to work, crafting a compelling narrative and selecting the perfect visuals to match. Next up, customization. Don't worry, you're still in the driver's seat. Video AI allows you to tweak and refine every aspect of your video, from the music and transitions to the call to action. Make it your own. Finally, hit that export button and watch your masterpiece come to life. Share it with the world on your favorite platforms and watch the engagement roll in. See? Easy peasy. Section 4, work smarter, not harder, the power of video AI. We all know that time is our most valuable asset, so why waste it on tedious tasks that can be automated? Video AI is your secret weapon for reclaiming your time and focusing on what truly matters, creating awesome content and connecting with your audience. Imagine this. No more spending hours hunched over editing software, no more wrestling with complicated transitions or struggling to find the perfect music track. Video AI takes care of all the heavy lifting, freeing you up to focus on the big picture. But it's not just about saving time. Video AI can actually help you create even better content. Think about it. You're not limited by your own technical skills or time constraints. You can experiment with different styles, try new things, and really let your creativity run wild. The result? Higher quality content, a more engaged audience, and ultimately, greater success. Section 5, turn your passion into profits, passive income with video AI. Now let's talk about the good stuff, making that money. Video AI isn't just about saving time and creating amazing content, it's also a powerful tool for unlocking new streams of passive income. Think about it. Once you've created a killer video, it's out there working for you 24/7. It's like having a digital salesperson that never sleeps. With the right strategy, you can turn your video content into a money-making machine. How? Let me count the ways. You can monetize your videos through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even by selling your own products or services. The possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Turn your passion into profits. Let video AI help you build the business of your dreams. Section 6, join the movement, unleash your creative potential. The future of content creation is here and it's powered by AI. This isn't just a fad, it's a fundamental shift in the way we create and consume content. And those who embrace it early will have a massive advantage. Don't get left behind. Join the Creator Hub at MRA, PIP community today, and unlock the power of video AI. We'll provide you with all the tools and resources you need to succeed. It's time to step into your power, my friends. Let's crush it. Rush.